Today we are making a delicious flour sweet ball, a crispy sweet treat with a flavorful filling. Whether you are looking for a snack or a dessert, this recipe will definitely hit the spot. Let's dive in. Prepare the dough. Start by adding 1 cup of water into a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and half teaspoon of salt. Bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add 1 cup of flour. Mix well to combine. Keep stirring and cook until the mixture starts to separate from the pan. You can replace the flour with whole wheat flour. Whole wheat flour in the dough provides fiber which helps with digestion. Now let the dough cool down for 5 minutes. Once it's cool enough to handle, knead it well for a smooth texture. Next, divide the dough into small pieces. Now make the stuffing. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon black sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well until everything is well combined. Brown sugar is a healthier option than white sugar as it remains more minerals. Take one small dough piece and flatten it slightly. Place a spoonful of the sweet stuffing in the center. Carefully fold the dough around the stuffing to cover it completely. Black sesame seeds are rich in calcium, iron, and magnesium. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is ready, carefully drop the stuffed dough balls into the pan. Fry for 5 to 7 minutes or until golden and crispy. If the oil splatter, use a lid to protect yourself. Did you know sesame seeds have been used for over 3000 years in cooking and medicine? Once fried, dust the ball with a light sprinkle of cinnamon powder for extra flavor. And there you have it. Your delicious flour sweet balls are ready to enjoy. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Perfect for any time of the day. If you love this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you next time on Innoven Foods.